Corky's 1969 Buick Wildcat. That's Corky's toys. I don't know who Corky was. Ain't that a biscuit? Look at this. New. Everything in there new. Ain't no joke. Let's get a little light on the subject. Look at this. Look at this, everybody. Take a good look at detail. Like I said, that oil dipstick, brand new. The decals, brand new. To match, they go exactly how they go. Everything was rebuilt, painted, and put back together. New distributor, new coil, new alternator, new radiator, new starter, new carburetor. Some parts we didn't find, so we had to buy them. This came in boxes. Yeah, please like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. Yep. As we try to create miracles, one old car at a time. That's what we do. We try to create miracles, one car at a time. Trying to save these old clunkers from the graveyard. It ain't graveyard cars, but we're trying to save them from the graveyard. It's another style of that. Look at that. 1969 Buick Wildcat. These younger folks, I tell them a Wildcat, they don't even know what the heck I'm talking about. They said a Wildcat. I said, yeah, a Wildcat with Power Cat. You know what that is? That's a Wildcat that's got Power Cat tires. Look at this. Look at this, everybody. These are Power Cats. Now, I was wondering if anybody can let me know where we can get a set of 4 Power Cats for this Wildcat. We would like to hear from you. Please put it in the comments section. I would love to know. If you guys could help me find some Power Cats like this. Power Cats. I want some Power Cats for this Wildcat. Please let me know. If we could get that happening, I appreciate it. Because if this Wildcat had Power Cats, it'd be a hell of a Wildcat, let me tell you. Because she would get it. She'd be leaving paw prints everywhere. I know it. Because that motor ain't no joke, man. Take a look again so you know what I'm talking about. Wildcat with Power Cats with that motor.
430.
A 430? Come on now. I've been told by some of the best they like this more than my Chargers. I don't even get it. But we're going to find out. We'll give her a little rumble here soon. Please like, share, subscribe. God bless the pro you need to know. Thanks. Help me save these clunkers one at a time by subscribing. I appreciate it. God bless you all. Until next time, take care. Thanks.